G'day foodies and fighters. Today we're going to do a quick and easy fruit juice. This is one of my favourite recipes for juice recipes. I call it the fruit tingle. It's like a sweet and sour juice. What you need is 2 green apples, skin on, half a lemon and a thumb of ginger. How much is a thumb of ginger? Well, there's your thumb. We want a good knuckles worth, like that. Okay, we leave the skin on the apples. We take the skin off the lemon and you can leave the skin on the ginger. Put it through the cold pressed juicer here. That's going to spit out all the pulp. Leave the juice here. So let's dice our ingredients and get it going.
These demons in my mind are right. I fail to recognize that I control their appetite.
Okay, we've diced all our ingredients up so they'll fit through the juicer. We need them in small kind of inch by inch cubes. So let's get to juicing. You can see the pulp coming out here, juice coming out here. Smells beautiful. You can really smell the ginger and the apple. So there we go, 2 green apples, half a lemon, a thumb and ginger, makes our sweet and sour juice, which I call a fruit tingle. Turn him off. Oh, it's one of my favourite juices. Really, really sweet and sour. Just like the fruit tingle lollies. Give it a go. Got about 30 grams of carbs in it. Off your 2 green apples, we've got half a lemon and just that thumb of ginger. One of the best fruit juices you can make, real quick and easy. Go and give it a go. Subscribe to our channel and watch for the chicken parmigiana recipe coming out on YouTube on Thursday, 6 p.m. New quick and easy recipes up online on our website and YouTube, 6 p.m. every Thursday. Cheers.